wow. I'm just scared about that. This time sitting here, you know, I'm not like you. I can't bother. I don't want him, mama, to your man. Oh, she asleep. I'm going back. Watch her now. Auntie Mama asleep. She don't know what me they do. Me go do my sitting here, man. Auntie Mama look here right now and that teacher, you know. Me go do my own or something.
Oh, so you think so me asleep?
Auntie Mama say everybody asleep.
Oh, so that you out there do watch me and you.
You serious?